We specialize in building complicated EV systems, for example, boardrooms, auditoriums, courtrooms. Most of the people had to stay home, and a lot of businesses had to figure out a way of how to do better communication where they can get the message across to other branches and to the employees. We put in very sophisticated electronic equipment, and you can communicate with everybody, share information, and put a lot of people online together. And you can record all the conversation. Hawaiian Electric, I found out, they help businesses where you can ask them for things like, can you check my monthly consumption of electrical usage? And then later on, I found out that you folks were doing the drone.
He had a PV system. And a PV system is one of those things that it's very difficult to, how would you say, survey or even try to figure out what's happening with it. And the safest way to do it, you need to use a drone. And we use our drones with infrared cameras so they can pick up any particular defects on the surfaces itself, where then you can see where it may not be as efficient as it should be. And that way the customer can take some action to make sure that they are maximizing their use for PV. His system was still intact, and he'd have many more years that he could use that. So for him, it gave him that comfort and that relief that he knows that at least his PV system is operating to the maximum it can. And then, but in the future, we'll have to keep an eye on it because there'll be a time when it's going to have to be replaced.
I was impressed of how much they're willing to help customers. If you have any questions, you want help, don't be afraid to call customer service at Hawaiian Electric. Most people think you have to call because you have a problem, but if you have questions, how you can save money, can you take a look at how we're using electricity, they're more than willing to help you at no charge.